everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the place where we turn your outdoor dreams into stunning reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you love the idea of a lush, vibrant garden but hate the physical toll of kneeling on the hard ground, or if you simply want to add a sophisticated structural element to your outdoor living area, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the world of elevated garden planters, the stylish, back-saving solution for every modern gardener. An elevated garden planter is essentially a gardening container that is raised off the ground, typically supported by legs or a built-in frame. Unlike traditional raised beds that sit directly on the soil, elevated planters have a bottom, making them self-contained units that look much like a piece of outdoor furniture. They are designed to bring the garden to you, sitting at waist or table height, which completely changes the dynamic of how you interact with your plants. They come in various materials, from rustic cedar and sleek metal to modern composites, allowing them to blend seamlessly with any architectural style. The benefits of elevated garden planters go far beyond just their good looks. Primarily, they offer incredible ergonomic advantages, allowing you to plant, weed, and harvest without the constant bending or kneeling that often leads to back and knee pain. This makes gardening accessible to everyone, including seniors or those with limited mobility. Additionally, because they are raised, they provide excellent protection against common garden pests like rabbits, snails, and slugs, while also offering superior drainage and soil temperature control. Since you fill them with your own potting mix, you avoid the struggle of poor backyard soil quality, ensuring your plants have the perfect nutrient-rich environment from day one. How to decorate your elevated garden planters to look beautiful. To make your elevated garden planters look truly beautiful, think of them as living sculptures within your outdoor space. You can enhance their aesthetic appeal by playing with thrillers, fillers, and spillers, using a tall, striking plant in the center, surrounded by lush foliage, and finishing with trailing vines that drape over the edges to soften the hard lines of the planter. Don't be afraid to coordinate the color of your planter with your home's exterior or patio furniture. A sleek black or charcoal planter can look incredibly modern against a light brick wall, while natural wood tones add warmth to a garden setting. Adding decorative mulch, small fairy lights for evening ambience, or even integrating a small trellis for climbing flowers can turn a simple planter into a stunning focal point. Choosing the right plants is key to a thriving elevated garden. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale flourish in these environments because the soil stays warmer and the drainage is consistent. Herbs are perhaps the most popular choice, as having a kitchen garden at waist height right outside your door makes harvesting fresh basil, rosemary, and thyme incredibly convenient. For a splash of color, trailing flowers like petunias, fuchsia, or nasturtiums are perfect for creating that spiller effect. If you're interested in vegetables, look for patio or bush varieties of tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, which are specifically bred to stay compact and productive in contained spaces without taking over the entire area. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best elevated garden planters ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the classic multi-tiered vegetable station. In this setup, we see a beautiful wooden U-shaped elevated bed that maximizes walking space while keeping everything within arm's reach. The use of colorful tomato cages adds a whimsical, organized touch to the vegetable patch, making the garden look both productive and playful. 2. Modern industrial corrugated metal troughs. These sleek, cream-colored metal planters feature a wavy texture that adds a modern industrial vibe to any patio. Positioned against a stone wall with a gravel path and stepping stones, they prove that gardening can be incredibly clean, structured, and sophisticated. 3. The architectural Corten steel masterpiece. Corten steel is famous for its beautiful weathered rust patina, and here it's used to create deep, rectangular planters. The addition of high-arching trellises allows for vertical growth, turning your vegetable garden into a living wall that provides privacy and a striking visual silhouette. 4. Circular corrugated garden pods. For a more organic and flowing garden layout, these circular metal planters are a fantastic choice. The rounded edges break up the linear feel of a traditional backyard, and using wood chip mulch between the pods creates a cozy, forest-like atmosphere that is easy to maintain. 5. The elegant floral spillover box. This design focuses on pure aesthetics, featuring a dark, ornate planter box overflowing with purple petunias and trailing lime green foliage. It's a perfect example of how an elevated planter can serve as a high-end decorative piece for a porch or entryway, offering instant curb appeal. 6. Minimalist Zen concrete raised beds. If you prefer a clean, contemporary look, these smooth white concrete planters are the way to go. Integrated with a modern patio and dark river stones, these planters house small trees and manicured shrubs, creating a peaceful Zen-like retreat that feels like a luxury resort. 7. The vibrant summer siding planter. Attached directly to the side of the house, this long wooden planter box uses height to create a wall of color. By mixing bright red flowers with bold, dark-leafed plants and neon green trailers, it transforms a plain exterior wall into a breathtaking vertical landscape. 8. The practical bench-side planter. This clever design features a wooden planter with built-in side benches or shelves. It's the ultimate multifunctional piece for a small lawn, allowing you to sit and enjoy the scent of your flowers or rest your gardening tools while you work on your prize-winning tomatoes. 9. Sleek self-watering balcony containers. Perfect for urban dwellers, these high-gloss white planters on black stands are both stylish and functional. They provide a clean, Scandi chic look for a balcony or small deck, proving that you don't need a massive backyard to enjoy the beauty of fresh daffodils and greenery. 10. The Grand Estate Kitchen Garden. This expansive layout features multiple heavy timber elevated beds arranged in a formal grid. It combines the productivity of a farm with the beauty of a botanical garden, using gravel paths and lavender borders to create an organized, high-yield gardening space that is a joy to walk through. Elevated garden planters are more than just a trend. They are a smarter way to garden that prioritizes your comfort and your plant's health. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny apartment balcony, there is an elevated solution that can bring a touch of nature into your life without the physical strain of traditional gardening. We hope these ideas have inspired you to start your own elevated garden journey and transform your outdoor space into a thriving sanctuary. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration on how to make your home and garden beautiful. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our community of gardeners. Until next time, happy planting!